Are you a private well owner in Massachusetts? Have you recently had your well water tested? Are you looking to understand what your results mean? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, you can use Silent Spring Institute's free online private wells tool to help you understand and interpret your water test results. The tool is located online at privatewells.silentspring.org. Well water testing is important to know if your water is safe to drink. The Massachusetts Department of Environmental Protection recommends that private well owners test each year for nitrate, nitrite, and bacteria. In addition, well owners should initially test for certain inorganic, synthetic organic, and volatile organic compound contaminants, and then test again for these contaminants at least once every 10 years. It is also important to initially monitor for radionuclides in bedrock wells. Develop and follow a routine sampling plan for your well. If you haven't tested your water recently, check out the FAQ page to learn how to test your well water. If you have a well water test report, you can use Silent Spring Institute's Private Wells tool to learn how your results compare to drinking water standards and Massachusetts public water supplies. The tool also guides you through steps that you can take to improve your well water quality. Let's get started! First, you'll want to locate your water quality report. Water quality test reports can contain a lot of information. The results shown in your report may vary based on the laboratory that conducts the testing and the state that you live in. Here is a sample of what your water quality report might look like. Let's review the key information you'll need to find in your report to use the tool. In the first column, you'll want to look for the name of each contaminant. These are sometimes called item, parameter, or analyte. The next column, result, is also called value. You'll also need to enter the unit that each contaminant was measured in. In this example, the units are milligrams per liter. Sometimes a lab report will contain a contaminant listed as not detected, indicated by ND, which stands for non-detect, or a less than sign. This means that a chemical was not present at a measurable level by the lab. If you are entering a non-detect, you will need to know the lab's detection limit, or reporting limit, abbreviated as RL. In this example, let's input the nitrate and arsenic results from our sample report. To use the tool, first click on the drop-down menu and select the first contaminant showed on your report. In our case, nitrate. It was at 13 milligrams per liter. To add more contaminants, you can click on the Add Another button. Repeat this process for each contaminant, the value, and the unit it was measured in. Let's input arsenic, which was not detected. When we enter ND, the tool prompts us to enter a detection limit. In this case, it was 0.001 milligrams per liter. Let's go ahead and generate our sample report. You can save your report as a PDF to share or view it online. In our sample report, the first contaminant, nitrate, is compared to the EPA maximum contaminant level for nitrate, which is 10 milligrams per liter. For each contaminant, the tool will also create a graph that compares your well results to results from community water systems in Massachusetts. The tool uses information from community water systems because there is no central database with results from private well testing. The tool also provides information about the sources, health effects, and treatment options for each contaminant. For more information about treating contaminants, click on the tab at the bottom of each contaminant labeled More Information about Water Treatment. To learn about certified testing labs, how often to test, and what to test for, check out the FAQ page. And please feel free to contact us or provide feedback on the contact page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. This project is funded by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts.